Hi everyone, I'm Melissa here for our Tuesday Shelf Talk. Today I'll be talking about Your Best Home by Snell. This book is in the non-fiction genre and we have a hard copy available here in the library. So the premise of the book is to optimise the design of a home by introducing the reader to basic design elements. So whether you're renting, renovating, building, or even if you just love architecture and interior design, Jo talks about the 5 main rooms being the entry, living room, kitchen, bedroom and bathroom. He then introduces 5 design elements into each room being space, light, air, sound and view. He also provides solutions from quick fix temporary elements that can be introduced into a rental for very little cost, all the way up to elements that can be incorporated into house plans and design when building a new home. For me, I found his home renovation tips the most useful. These were elements in my home that may not have been designed optimally when the house was built, however can be tweaked to create the perfect foundation for a functional and beautiful home. I really loved the way that he laid out the book with an introduction to the design elements followed by 1 chapter for each area of the home. He then breaks each chapter down into subsections explaining exactly how the 5 design elements can be applied to that specific room. So if you are looking at building a home, buying an existing one, want to liven up a space in your rental, or just love watching the block, I would recommend picking up this book. It will definitely open your eyes to the architectural and design possibilities to maximise your space and styling. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time for another Tuesday Shelf Talk.